Hi, I'm Carlos Holmes, the BMW genius here at Newbold BMW in Fallon, Illinois. Today I'm going to show you how to connect Apple CarPlay to your vehicle. Apple CarPlay allows you to connect your phone to your vehicle and display the screen just like it is on your iPhone. It also allows iPhone apps to automatically be transmitted and utilized through your vehicle. It allows you to easily access text messages and send them without using your phone. To pair your phone to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay, make sure your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on. And then in the car, you'll go to Communication, Mobile Devices, New Device, Phone Calls and Audio. Select the phone. Then on your phone, you'll confirm the pairing request. Allow contacts to be synced to the car. And then on the phone, you just confirm that you like to use CarPlay. And there you go. Another great benefit of BMW's Apple CarPlay is that it utilizes Wi-Fi to connect to your phone rather than using a cable like most other brands. Once again, I'm Carlos Holmes at Newbold BMW. If you have any questions about this or anything else, feel free to give us a call.